So now let's see how we can create HTML animations inside of Gemini. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here and say write an HTML code of a spinning square right here. Let's say, for example, a spinning square of red color with the text tube in it, and make a HTML animation code right here. Let's say, for example, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that right here, then you can see that it actually goes around and then creates an animation HTML code right here. Then you can simply copy out the code right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around and paste this out right here, and I'm going to go around and save this out on my desktop right here as, let's say, for example, sample.html, just like this. So once I go around and do that, I can go around and then drag in the sample right here, just like this, and there you go. You can see that there's a red square box, and there's the tube text within it, which is spinning around. And that is how you can create HTML animations inside of Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.